Alright YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to work in a kitchen water faucet that doesn't have much pressure. The water doesn't have much pressure. Right here, it's all the way open and very much very low pressure. So what you need, a towel, a small towel or big, doesn't matter. CO2 gun. This one they are for the air conditioning draining system. You don't have CO2 gun, you can use compressed air from air compressor. I mean something with this end. Pliers or channel locks. So the first thing, you're going to unscrew your part of the water faucet. In this case, the radiator, which is this, we can take it with the channel locks. Some radiators, you need to have a plastic tool that you stick here and you unscrew it. Make sure that you don't lose this thing. Sometimes there's a gasket here, sometimes don't. So now what you do, you get a towel right here, because we're going to have this part that is inside out. So what we need, we're going to have some air here in this part. This part came out, and then you're going to blow gently the other side, just a little tiny, and now you rinse it. Your radiator, also you might want to take it apart. Depends how much calcium you have. Just one a little bit here to take all the calcium. Okay. Now your other part, rinse it. And you have that. Now something that I forgot to mention. This in particular has the color and the gasket. The gasket part goes on the top. You push it tiny bit, not much, to the surface, and you put your radiator. Put your radiator here. Remember, some of them, they have a gasket here, some don't have a gasket. Screw it. Tie it a little bit. Put it back. Open your water, and you see, boom. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching.